And she's doing it with a skirt.
Sage.
She's like, this is how I got up here. Oh my god.
Sage, get back down.
Okay, go ahead.
That is ridiculous,
Oh
Sage.
my gosh, go Sage.
Is this what you've been doing when we let you go for 2 minutes? Yeah? You don't want to admit it, huh? You want to eat?
Your rice is in the living room.
I don't want to hear you acting like you can't get up on things anymore. Like you need help from me. You're goofy.
That is insane.
You going to get Koi?